Hey guys, it is after hours on the weekend. It's 1:51 p.m. on Sunday, May 3rd. And if you watched my last video, I was talking about what to do with my 400 shares of AMD that I now own because I was assigned on my cash secured puts last Friday. So I think I've decided what I want to do because I'm concerned that the market I think we're at the beginning of another dip. So I think the market is going to go down overall. And so, if you look back at AMD, back when we initially dipped around end of February, March, AMD got down to about high 30s, low $40 per share. So this is March 18th. So this is the peak right before the pandemic really took the market down. So it was around $59 a share. And we got down all the way to about $38. So right now we're hovering around 50. So I think that overall the market is going to go even further, given the weeks and months coming ahead. I think AMD is going to drop even further than $38 at some point in the future, just because of the economy. So I really don't want to be caught holding shares at $50. Because the other issue is, even if I hold the shares at $50 while AMD dips down, let's say, I'm holding them at $50 and AMD is now trading at $40 or less. The value that I'm going to get by selling the premiums on the covered calls is not going to be that great. If you look at even right now at $50 share price, if I try and sell a covered call at $60, I'm only netting $7 per contract. Now, that's not bad if you think about it over time. Let's say I sell these covered calls $7 a contract, and they don't get taken away. So I just collected premiums. So that's $7. I currently own the shares at $51.75 each. So let's just say one contract, I would make $7 out of $5,175 worth of cash that's tied up in those 100 shares. So that's about a 0.14% return on my money for that week. Now, if I were to annualize that for the whole year, that's about 7%. So that's not bad. That's more than you would get from having that money stored up in your savings account. And it's historically what the market would return if you were to put that in an index fund. So that's not bad, $7. It just seems like a low amount of money, right? $7 a week is nothing. So obviously we want to do better than that. So what I think I'm going to do is, once the market opens Monday morning, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sell 4 contracts at the $52 strike price. And this number will change because the market's not live right now. It's probably going to go down. Let's just say, as a rough estimate, it's 50 cents a contract. So if I sell 4 of those, right, 50 cents times 4, it's going to be $200, right, times 100. So I'll net roughly $200 in premium Monday morning. And then hopefully AMD will be above $52 by end of day, May 8th. And that way I'll get to collect and keep the full $200 for the 4 contracts and also get those shares taken away. Because then I want to start the wheel over again and sell more cash secured puts on it. And if AMD continues to go down and I get assigned, well, I should get assigned at a lower valuation. So instead of owning 400 shares at $51.75, maybe I'll get assigned at $45 in some sense, or something lower. That way, if I do end up holding the stock long term, at least I got in at a lower share price than what I'm currently at now. So I'm hoping to do this week by week right now, because I think that way I can keep getting in and out at a lower share price. And then eventually, if I think we're at a bottom or near the bottom, then I can be a little bit more aggressive in trying to hold those shares and then get the stock appreciation just in the stock value just in the stock price as it climbs back up. But then on top of that, sell covered calls and get extra profit. So I think that's my strategy right now. I just want to sell the $52 strike, all 4 contracts. Oh, I forgot to mention, not only will I collect the 4 contracts worth of premium, but because I own these shares at $51.75 each, I'll also net $25 cents in premium per share. So 400 shares times an extra 25 cents, that's $100 also. So I'm set to make roughly $300 by end of day Friday and get my shares taken away, which is what I want, if AMD is at $52 or above by end of day Friday. So let me know what you think with this strategy. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Tell your friends. I really want to grow this channel quickly so I can monetize and make more videos for you. Thanks again. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.